Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a mascara that promises to deliver on both volume and length without the dreaded clumps. L'Oréal Paris's Paradise Big Deal Mascara is making waves in the beauty world, claiming to create buildable lashes that are both long and voluminous, without any of that sticky, clumpy mess. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The L'Oréal Paris Paradise Big Deal Mascara is all about offering a buildable, clump-resistant formula. It promises to volumize and lengthen your lashes with each layer you apply, giving you the flexibility to create your ideal lash look, whether you prefer a natural, everyday volume or a more dramatic, full lash effect. It features a unique cross-conic brush designed to coat lashes evenly while separating them to avoid any clumping. And if you're sensitive or wear contact lenses, this mascara is formulated to be gentle on the eyes so you can feel comfortable all day. But how does it perform in real life? Well, after putting this mascara to the test in my own routine, I found that the formula is indeed lightweight, which was a pleasant surprise. It doesn't feel heavy or crunchy on the lashes, even with multiple layers. I've used it during both my daily routine and more intense moments, like a long day at work and a night out, and it held up nicely without flaking or smudging. I'm all about a mascara that's easy to build on without it turning into a clumpy mess, and this one certainly delivers on that front. As for the brush, the cross-conic shape really works to separate the lashes as it coats them. There was no need to go back and forth with the wand to ensure separation. Each stroke did the job. I will say it took a couple of coats to get the full length and volume I was after, but that's the beauty of this formula. It's super buildable without feeling overly thick. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, this mascara is fantastic for creating length and volume without clumps. It's incredibly easy to apply, even for beginners, thanks to the brush design. And the fact that it's suitable for sensitive eyes is a major bonus. The formula is smooth and lightweight, offering a comfortable wear all day long. On the flip side, while the buildability is great, I did find that I had to apply more layers than I typically would with other mascaras to achieve the dramatic look I wanted. If you're in a rush, it might not be the best option for a quick one-coat wonder. Additionally, while it doesn't clump, it does take a bit of time to dry between layers, so I had to be a little patient during application. When it comes to value for money, the L'Oréal Paris Paradise Big Deal Mascara comes in at a mid-range price point. Given its performance and the fact that it's suitable for sensitive eyes, I think it offers a good balance of quality and affordability. It may not be the cheapest option on the market, but it certainly doesn't break the bank either. Comparing it to other mascaras, this one holds its ground against some of the higher-end options. While you might find a few mascaras that offer a quicker payoff or slightly more dramatic results in one coat, this mascara excels in buildability, separation, and comfort. If you're someone who likes to layer your mascara for a custom look, this one might just be your new favorite. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is standard for a drugstore mascara. Nothing fancy, but sturdy enough for daily use. The wand design is intuitive, and the mascara doesn't spill or dry out quickly, which is a relief. In terms of longevity, the formula performs consistently throughout the day without needing to be touched up, which is a big plus. If you're someone who's on the fence about spending a little more on mascara, I would say it's worth considering this product for the long-lasting performance and sensitive, eye-friendly formula. However, if you're looking for something ultra-quick and dramatic in one coat, there are alternative mascaras out there that might suit you better. So, what's the final verdict? Overall, L'Oréal Paris's Paradise Big Mascara delivers on its promises of buildable volume and length. It's easy to use, great for sensitive eyes, and gives you the flexibility to create your perfect lash look. While it does require a few layers to reach its full potential, it's a solid choice for anyone looking for a mascara that's comfortable to wear and offers a custom lash experience. If this review was helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments if you've used this mascara. We'd love to hear about your experience. Stay beautiful inside and out, and see you next time.